we'll guide you through how to make glass text in After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by opening the search bar on your computer and typing After Effects. Then open the program once it appears. After the software loads, create a fresh composition by selecting New Composition, which will give you an empty workspace to build your glass text effect. When the composition is ready, look at the project bar on the left side. Right-click inside it, choose Import, and then press File so you can bring in the footage you want to use. After the footage is imported, add it to the timeline. Then right-click the timeline area, select New, and choose Text to create a text layer. With the text added, turn on the Adjustment Layer option for that text layer so you can blur it later. Now go to the Effect and Presets panel and search for Fast Box Blur. Then apply it to the text layer and set the blur radius to any value that feels right for your look. Next, select the same text layer and press Ctrl+D to duplicate it, creating a second version that will be used for the map. Select the bottom text layer and open the Characters panel. Turn on the text border, turn off the text fill, and set the border color to white so the shape of the letters stands out. After that, turn off the Adjustment Layer switch on the bottom text layer so the blur only affects the top one. Adjust the border radius until the outline feels smooth. Now rename the bottom text layer to Map, and then turn off its visibility so it stays active but hidden. Select the top text layer again. Go back to Effect and Presets, search for Displacement Map, and apply it. Change the map layer setting to the map text layer. Then switch both horizontal and vertical displacement to luminance so the white outline controls the bend. Adjust the horizontal and vertical displacement values until the glass effect starts to form. After that, return to Effect and Presets and search for Gaussian blur. Then apply it to the map text layer to soften the outline and make the displacement smoother. Set the blur to around 15 or any number that fits your taste. As an option, you can add a drop shadow to the map layer if you want a clearer shape. This final step helps the text look more clean.